So are you also running a business and do you also want to handle the customer queries even while you are sleeping? Then give me 10 minutes and I'll show you how. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI assistant for business inquiries to handle customer queries 24/7. So over here I'm running a business and like you I also receive numerous amount of customer queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. And now, whenever my user is going to send me any message, an automatic reply will be sent towards that user using my AI agent. It is going to answer some common questions too. So if you also want to create this amazing AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered assistant that automatically responds to business inquiries anytime, day or night. So whether customers reach out to you through form, live chat or messaging platform, this uses OpenAI to understand their questions and deliver accurate, helpful responses based on business information. It is perfect for handling FAQs, service requests or product queries without needing someone online 24/7. So let's walk through how to set this up and give your business a smart and always on support system. So to show you this, first I've already created this AI assistant, and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this. So let's say first I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to say, hey, I need help, and I'm just going to send them this message which is, hey, I need help. And as you can see that my AI assistant is going to respond me within second. Absolutely, how can I assist you today? Please let me know. So let's say I want to know about the price, so I'm just going to enter price question mark right over here, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to reply me right over here with the pricing details. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that it has successfully sent me the pricing details. Let's say I'm just going to ask another question, which is, what pricing plan should I choose if I have 3 online stores and around 4,000 monthly orders? So let's say I'm just going to send them this message, and now it is going to reply me accordingly. So yes, you can see it is saying for 3 online stores and around 4,000 monthly orders, the pro plan at $79 per month would be the most suitable option. Alright, this plan supports up to 5,000 orders. So yes, I'm just going to add one more question. Can I generate GST complaint invoices automatically for each order? So I'm just going to send them this message right over here, and as you can see it is replying me, yes, Shop Manager Pro allows you to generate GST complaint invoices automatically for each order. Alright, so I'm just going to ask them another question right over here. Do you offer a trial period or demo before the purchase? So I'm just going to send them this message. And now you're going to see that within seconds and in real time, it is going to reply me back right over here. It is saying, yes, Shop Manager Pro offers 14 days of free trial with no credit card required. This allows you to explore the platform and its feature before making a purchase. So yes, you can see that within seconds and in real time, this AI assistant is solving all my user queries. This is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant, which is going to learn in today's video. And if you also want to create this AI assistant for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. But you must be wondering from where this AI assistant got the knowledge of my business. So for that, I've simply uploaded the knowledge source of my business, and it is responding according to that knowledge source only. So first I'm just going to show you that knowledge source, and over here you're going to see that this is the knowledge source. Over here you're going to notice that the pricing which it gave me is exactly the same which we mentioned right over here in the knowledge source, and the rest of the details are also exactly the same which we have right over here in my knowledge source. So yes, I'm just going to create this amazing AI agent which is going to reply according to your own business's specific needs and wants. So yes, to get started, I'm simply going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm just going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, we're just going to get 2 options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here, you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales, and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And to get started, we simply have to add a WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow. So how are we going to add the WhatsApp number? For that, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number button, and over here, you're going to get two methods to add the WhatsApp number: WhatsApp Connect or Manual Token Connect. So you don't have to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I've already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on further in creating an AI agent. So before creating an AI agent, I'm just going to let you know that over here on the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, you can check out the description box below. We have added the video of each of this feature right over there. You can check it out and explore the features. But today this video is only going to focus on how to build an AI assistant. For that, I'm just going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you're going to see the total AI assistant, the active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant right over here in this account. And in order to build an AI assistant from scratch, we are simply going to click on this add AI assistant button. And now it is asking me for the assistant name, so I'm simply going to name it as AI Assistant for Business Inquiries, and then I'm just going to simply click on this button which says Add AI Assistant. And once I'm just going to click on this button which says Add AI Assistant, automatically my AI Assistant will be added. And as you can see that now it is opening a window something like this in front of us. Over here you can see the AI Assistant name too. Alright, so now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to create this AI Assistant. So it is asking me for the AI instructions. So over here you're going to see that there are multiple types of AI instructions which you can give to your assistant. I'm just going to simply select it as AI agent right over here, and automatically it has entered the instructions right over here. And if you want to customly enter the instructions, you can simply select this custom prompt, and over here going to enter the instructions customly. But over here we have some prefix prompts, so you can use those too. I'm just going to select this AI agent right from here as my instruction type today. And now in the instruction section, I'm just going to add a line that do not add any special characters. So as you can see that I've simply mentioned that do not include any special formatting characters like stars, hashtags, or underscore, or the quotation marks. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying AI configuration. So over here it is asking me for the temperature. So over here we have to set the temperature of how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if we go towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively, and if we go towards this 0, the AI answers will be more focused. So I'm just going to keep it as 0.2 because I want the AI answers to be more focused. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me to select the AI to use. So over here I'm simply going to select it as Open AI, and now it is asking me for the model. So I'm simply going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice, and now it is asking me for the API token. And now it is asking me for the API token, and to get this API token we are simply going to follow the help text, and it is saying OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page to get the API key. And what you can do is you can go to this create new secret key. You can enter your key name, select the project, give the permissions right over here, and click on this create secret key button, and your key will be created. I've already created many keys, so I'm just going to use one of these only, and I'm just going to paste this API token right over here. And after entering this API token, we simply have to click on this button which says connect. And once you're going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So yes, with this we have successfully entered the API token, and now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here you're going to get multiple settings. If you want to add a header message, you can switch on this header message and you can add a header message. If you want to add a footer message, you can do the same, switch on this footer message button and add the footer message. If you want to use some stop keywords, you can simply switch on the stop keywords, enter some keywords with the help of which the AI assistant will stop. So what happens is that let's say that user wants to chat with a live agent or a human agent. So let's say you add the stop keyword as human right over here. So whenever user is going to send you this keyword which is human, automatically the chat will be transferred towards this human. If you want to learn about this stop keywords more, we have attached a video tutorial dedicated towards this in the description box below. You can check it out. Now for the retry attempt, over here if you want, you can simply switch on this button. You can specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant failed to respond in that number of attempts, automatically the chat will be transferred towards the human. Alright, so you can simply enter the number of retry attempts right over here, and if you want to learn about this, a video tutorial towards this has been attached in the description box below. You can check that out too. Now it is asking me for the fallback message. So over here, what does a fallback message means? So over here we have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So over here I'm just going to enter a fallback message as I'm here to assist you with the questions related to the company information or support. If you have any more questions about our services or need assistance with something special, feel free to ask at, and I'm just going to enter the support email address right over here. And yes, with this we have successfully entered the fallback message, and now I'm just going to move on further towards this knowledge source. So yes, as I mentioned that the AI is going to respond according to the knowledge source which we have created. So what you can do is you can simply create a Google Doc for the same knowledge source, and then you can simply download the knowledge source in a TXT format. So the accepted format is only TXT format. So you have to keep in mind that the knowledge source should be in TXT format only. So over here, I've already downloaded it in TXT format. So I'm simply going to upload that file right over here. I'm just going to go towards this downloads and upload this knowledge source in the TXT format. And now it is saying file uploaded and processed successfully. So yes, you can see that we have successfully uploaded this file, and over here we have also received the vector ID. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this knowledge source, and I'm just going to move on towards this AI interface. Now it is saying heading name. So over here we have to enter the heading name which will be displayed right over here. So let's say I'm just going to keep it as my brand's name, which is Shop Manager Pro. And now it is saying header display subheading name. So I'm just going to keep it as we are online and happy to assist you. Now it is asking me for the initial message. So as you can see, there's a pre-built initial message. If you want, you can definitely add multiple, like 2 initial messages. You can simply type the initial message and click on this enter, and it will be added right over here. I'm just going to keep it as same only. It is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely keep it as enable right over here. So the powered by Pabbly label will be displayed, and if you keep it as disable right over here, it will not be displayed. So I'm just going to keep it as enable only and move on further. For the footer text, I'm just going to keep it as privacy policy only. I've added the footer link right over here, which is the example link, and now you can enter your own privacy policy link, or you can add any another footer text too. And over here it is saying user first message, so I've kept it as I need help. You can definitely change it right over here. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI interface. Now I'm just going to move on forward towards this styling. Over here you can select the theme mode, light or dark. Over here you can select the assistant shape, background color, and the font. Also you can change the profile picture if you want. I'm just going to keep it as same only, and now if you wish, you can definitely add this AI assistant which you created on your website too by simply going towards this embedded, and over here you're going to get this script. Using this script you can add it on your website too. So yes, with this we have successfully created this AI assistant, and now I'm just going to save it. So I'm just going to click on this save AI assistant, but before clicking on this I'm just going to switch it on, and I'm just going to activate this AI assistant, and now I'm just going to click on this save AI assistant, and now it is saying AI assistant saved successfully. So yes, with this we have successfully saved this AI assistant, and now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's say I'm just going to start fresh, and I'm just going to test that is this AI assistant working in real time or not. So first I'm just going to clear the previous conversation, and now let's say I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help. And now you can see that it has responded me, I'm here to help you, please let me know what you need help with. Alright, so I'm simply going to ask a question right over here to test my AI assistant. So I'm just going to simply send this question, and let's say it is going to wait for a few seconds till my AI agent is going to respond. And as you can see that my AI agent has responded me correctly using the same knowledge source which we uploaded. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and if you want to manage the chat between the AI assistant and the user, you can go towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow. So yes, with this you can see that in real time and within seconds my AI assistant has solved my user query. So yes, with this we have successfully created this AI assistant for business inquiries, and now go try this amazing AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.